Hey guys, so if you have the Samsung Galaxy A24, how you gonna do it? There is not a hidden feature, however, 72mm level devices don't support the screen. It is available on your Galaxy A24. It can be accessed via free quick panel by sweeping from the top of the screen to the bottom using 2 fingers. So how are you gonna do it? I will just show you right here to actually see if you have it. If you don't have it, then you're just gonna look on Google Play for some screen recording. So you're gonna swipe down. I will just lower the like this, and do you see it? You should see something like this, screen recorder. If you have it, this is the best way how you can do it, right? And then another thing you can do, so I'll just show you right here. You can go also to settings, then you're gonna go to advanced features. Advanced features, and then you're gonna go to screenshots, and that's where you should like get it. Screenshots and screen recordings, and then this is something where you should like locate, but if you don't see it, you don't have it for A24.